You could see the difference, right? That's the difference of using this PIS. So that is out of range. If you are using this component out of this, you could see this red one. Okay. So if you move it from inside this, you will get a red light here. Move it there, you could see. So if you're placing, it will stop. If you're clicking and moving somewhere else, you could see it there. If you are not moving, it will turn off. Okay, so I'll give you another power. Use that power to glow that LED. Use the same common, same ground. So not that one. You could use this with this same ground here and this one. Okay. Try. Would you like to try this without the resistor?
No.
No, right?
I'm scared.
Okay. So we are using a resistor here. So place this resistor for that plus terminal. Okay. 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 So you have made two LEDs to glow with this two resistors. Is this okay for you? Okay. We'll build more circuits in next few classes. Okay. Okay.